What's up guys? Ziko Trades here. Welcome to the channel. Very first video on this channel. Been trying to post this one for the whole day today. This is my fourth recording. This is the one. I trust this is the one. So, if you don't know me from the Telegram, my name is Ziko. I've been trading crypto for 3 years now, and this is actually my first full year of profitability, which is kind of crazy to say. It's been a grind, but I've learned a ton, and I'm here to share what works for me, what doesn't work for me, and hopefully it can help you level up your trading game. And also, I have nothing to win from this channel, nothing to lose. This is just gonna be a big journal for me with videos. I'm gonna post educational content, and I'm gonna try as much as possible to hold myself accountable and you accountable if you're looking to better your trading. So I'm gonna go over the trades that I took today. I'm gonna break down one of my favorite setups, lower time frame reclaims. So if you don't know what that is, don't worry, I got you. I know many people in the group have been waiting for me to share this video and how I play them. So let's get into it. First of all, first trade that we took today was on NOT, NOT. Is this, I think, the Telegram shitcoin. And would you just look at this? Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking a 50% dump. Lost the POC over here. This is the day that everything dumped. Don't really remember why. Probably something Trump related. Trump has just been killing me, man, not gonna lie. So this is a total shitcoin. You never want to buy this shit in spot. Imagine you're just chilling at the beach, you're on vacation, you're happy, yada yada, sipping your little Corona, and boom, your favorite coin just did minus 50% and you lost half of your balance. Big L, loser. So never want to buy this shit in spot, but this is kind of fun to trade when the market is chopping around. So on this big dump, I marked this level for almost 2 weeks now. In the 15-minute time frame, we had an order block cluster. So for me, a cluster is 1, 2, 3 order blocks minimum. And now in this zone, I've placed my alerts. So what I do is I just go over here, right click, add an alert, go under it, add an alert, and we also had a POC. I'm not gonna go over what I do with POCs and the strategy that I use with them, but if you follow me on the Telegram, you know that it's central part of my trading. So we also had this POC over here to reclaim. So 3 things that I look for to go into these kinds of setups. First of all, volume. You can see volume started to creep in over here. And you can see what I kind of look for first is price creeping up, volume relatively the same. Now once we got closer to the zone, we can see volume has been picking up. So we caught this move over here. So I managed to enter here. Usually I wait for a sweep of price and then I reclaim. So something like this I would actually play. So goes up, sweeps down the other block and goes up again. This is optimal, but I just saw this much volume and this has been a key level that I'm sure I'm not the only one has been waiting for. So I didn't ask myself twice. I got in and we managed to scrap. Wow, 13%, 14. I actually took profit at 8%, if I remember right. Yeah. Took profit here, didn't even realize it did 14%, but hey, took half over here, and now we're just stopped break even. And also what I look for is negative funding. Negative funding means it's been heavily shorted, so the chances of it squeezing up are more likely. And now if we hop on the lower time frame over here, yeah, it's an important key level. I really want to see it reclaim these 2 order blocks, then maybe we can look for another play, but not gonna look at it again. Gonna place an alert over here. I'm just gonna let it go. Second trade we took today was on CAS USDTP. Get the shit off my face. Just let me get the right chart. So this was another reclaim setup that we played. Very similar to not expect. This one is a lot stronger. I think there is real tech behind it, which is rare nowadays in crypto. First of all, I was looking at this order block to get reclaimed, but I didn't jump on it at first. Since you can see, we've just been chopping up and down, and once it got reclaimed here, now I got interested again. We swept this order block, this key level that I was first looking for a squeeze up to these POCs, which is about 15%, 20%, and I managed to enter here. So this is what I mean when I say a sweep and reclaim. You can see price waked up, swept again, and now reclaim, and hopefully we can look to take our final take profit around this 2-week POC. And yeah, nice trade. We scrapped around 7%. I took profit at 5, and now it's just running risk free. Great trade. Happy with the execution. Nothing else to say. Fort coin. If you follow me on the Discord, once again, you know this is my favorite fucking coin to fucking trade. And wow, look at this. We're doing 30-minute bullish diversions. So what I was looking at first here, very simple. This was a POC reclaim. We've been chopping around this price on this POC, and I really had nothing to trade this morning. Bitcoin, which is wow, finally a move from Bitcoin, was just chopping around in this dead chop zone. Was not interested. Was looking for some outliers, and I told myself that even if we don't manage to scrap more, we would at least be able to manage a scrap, a 4% move. So this is exactly what I got. Reclaim the POCs, I enter here, swept down, scrap a 4% move. I was happy with that, took profit in half, and now it's just shit in the bed. I love this coin. This is so fucking stupid. It just moves so retarded, man. It's like, look at this shit. Every daily candle is like, this one is 20, this one is 20, this one is 20. This shit has been given 20% moves every fucking day, and you're telling me you don't want to trade this? This is retarded. So yeah, these were actually the 3 reclaim setup that I played today. 3 Ws. You know, reclaim setups are kind of tricky to play because it's so easy to get baited, bro. It's so easy to get baited. So it's super important to look for the 3 things I mentioned: volume, negative funding, and a level to reclaim. Actually, it can either be POCs or order block, whatever you prefer. So once you got those 3, you can look to play these setups on choppy days. And looking at Bitcoin over here, this is not bad. Just been an absolute dead chop day over here. If you tried to trade this, you probably got stopped break even or just stopped halfway through the day. This was just not worth it. Every week I send a plan that I'm gonna respect as much as I can, and a bias. And right now Bitcoin is just trading in a range. So I had this level to reclaim, but also a short level. I had a first level to go long around here, if I remember right. This trade was closed in profit, but not gonna lie guys, I'm sorry for the people in the Telegram. I didn't jump on this short. I didn't respect my own bias. I was too much of a pussy, I admit it, because on the plan we had this zone. This is a cluster to reclaim, acting as resistance, and it's been tested once, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was the 5th time. I'm not a fan of jumping into short on a key level that's been tested so many times, so I just skipped it. No harm done, just missed out on some profits. So if any of you guys ended up playing it, you managed to scrap almost 3%, which is great on Bitcoin. If you're in a similar leverage than me, that's around 300% of leverage gain. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm very happy to finally get to started, and yeah, expect weekly recaps. Not as many daily recaps, I don't think it's worth doing them too much. Weekly market analysis, I'm gonna be able to do requests on the YouTube. I'm gonna hopefully start streaming one day, and yeah, happy to have you guys here. Follow the Telegram, And remember, I am a funded trader with Hyrule Trader. So if you're looking to get a funded account and up to 200k of funded capital, use the link in the description. You can have a small 5% off your next funded. So thanks for being here, guys. Hopefully this is the start of a nice adventure we're gonna have. Take care, and Ziko out.